Hello, my name is Abraham Lincoln. I was born in 1809. I became the 16th President of the U.S. I was a lawyer. I was a leader. I was president. I led my country. It was my life's work. I had a clear goal. My faith was strong. I united my country. You can read my story. You will learn English. The words are simple. Let's practice together. These lessons are useful. My life can inspire you. A new chapter begins. Let us now begin. I hope you learn well. I hope you enjoy it. I wish you success. Thank you for listening. I was born in a small log cabin. The cabin was in Kentucky. My family was very poor. We had no money. I loved to read books. Books were my best friends. I read by the firelight. I wanted to learn more. I worked on a farm. The work was very hard. My clothes were old. I was a humble boy. My mother was very good. She taught me about what is right. I learned to be honest. I learned to be kind. I had no school. I had no real teachers. I learned on my own. Learning was my joy. I grew up so tall. I was very strong. I worked very hard. I was a good boy. Life was a game. I always played fair. I was an honest boy. I did no wrong. I loved the world. The future was bright. I had big dreams. I worked for my dreams. This is Lesson 10. Read every chance you get. Learn on your own. Your family's lessons matter. I left my home. I found a new job. I worked in a store. I worked very hard. I started to study law. I read many books. I taught myself law. I was my own teacher. I became a lawyer. People called me Honest Abe. I was always fair. I was a good lawyer. I traveled to small towns. I helped many people. I gave good advice. My voice was strong. My work was my love. I always gave my best. I was always good. I helped many people. People knew my name. They trusted me a lot. My honesty was known. My fairness was clear. It was my new life. I was a new man. My work was a good start. It was my new home. I learned new things. I spoke to people. I worked for the people. It was so much fun. This is Lesson 9. Be known for your honesty. Help people with your work. Earn the trust of others. I fell in love. I married a woman. Her name was Mary. She was my great love. We had 4 children. We raised a family. They were my joy. My kids were my world. My family was first. I loved them very much. They were my home. They were my support. I made a home. It was a good place. We had simple rules. We were a team. My wife was a help. She was a good friend. She was my best friend. We did things together. We were always close. We held hands always. We faced life's problems. We were a strong team. My children were my heart. They were my whole world. I loved to be there. I liked being a father. I was a good father. I tried my very best. My family was happy. My heart was full. This is Lesson 8. Love your family well. Your home is your team. Make family your priority. I was now older. I entered politics. It was a new thing. I was not a lawyer. I ran for office. I ran for a leader. It was a big race. I worked very hard. I won the race. I led the state. It was a big job. I liked my new job. I served my people. It was my big duty. It was a good time. My life changed a lot. The job was tough. I made hard choices. People were not happy. But I did my job. I learned a lot then. I was taught how to lead. I learned how to speak. I learned how to listen. My new life started. It was a new day. I was not a lawyer. I was a real leader. I spoke for my beliefs, for the people, and for the country. My voice was strong. I spoke for the country. This is Lesson 7. Enter public service. Be a voice for others. Learn to lead by listening. I ran for president. It was a big race. I spoke to the people. I told my big dream. They voted for me. I won the race. I was a president. I had a new job. It was a great job. It was a big honor. I led the country. I led the whole world. I lived in Washington. The White House was big. I worked very hard. My days were long. The country was split. There was a great war. It was a sad war. It was a civil war. I needed strength and bravery. I had to save my country. My goal was to make it one. I had to be brave. I faced big problems. I faced big challenges. I had to be strong. I had to be bold. It was my great duty. It was my big honor. I served my country. I served all the people. This is Lesson 6. Lead with a firm hand. Make the tough decisions. Unite a divided nation. The war was very hard. It was a long fight. Families were divided. Brothers fought brothers. My main goal was clear. Protect our own country. I had to fight back. I had to defend it. I made tough decisions. It was a big burden. The world watched us. We had to be strong. We needed unity. We needed strength. We had to have courage. The war was for our survival. We had to win. We had to be ready. My duty was my guide. I had to protect the Union. I had to lead my people. I had to be a leader. This was what I did. I did my best. The war took our joy. It took so much life. It was so much pain. It was a sad time. We fought for our home. We fought for our flag. We hoped for the end. We prayed for the peace. This is Lesson 5. Protect your country. Stand up for unity. Be brave in hard times. In the war, I had a new plan. It was a new idea, a new law, a new freedom. It was a new beginning. It was a big change, a great step forward, a new hope, and a new future. I worked to set people free. It was my big dream. I worked for the people. I worked for all. It was a great mission. My words were a great tool. They helped me much. They changed the world. They were my great hope. The law was so good. The country was happy. My plan worked well. It was a great win. People were hopeful. The future was bright. They had a new chance. My plan was working. Many people were free. It was a new day. It was a big change. It was a new start. But the work was not done. The path was still hard. The journey was long. We had to keep trying. This is Lesson 4. Work for new freedoms. Create a better future. Do the right thing for all. I gave a famous speech. I spoke to the people. It was a short speech. It was very powerful. It was to honor a cemetery, a place for brave soldiers. They died for our country. They died for freedom. I said that we must finish the great work they started. We must make sure they did not die in vain. We must have a new freedom, a new birth of freedom. The country must be reborn. It must be strong again. I said very famous words. Government of the people. By the people. For the people. The world must know this. The world must hear this. This government will not die. It will be a long time. My words were a gift. They were a great tool. I inspired people. My words gave hope. The speech was a great lesson. It was a wonderful gift. It was me always. It was for the people. It was so simple. It was so true. It was a great message. It was my great work. This is lesson 3. Inspire people with words. Speak with great power. Remember the people's voice. The war was now over. I was a happy man. The country was won. The war was done. My time was ending. I was an old man. I left my big job. I went back home. People remember me. They talk of my work. My legacy is freedom. My legacy is strength. I helped the country. I helped bring peace. People had new jobs. I was a good leader. I worked to be good, to be just and right, and I worked for my home. This was my great duty. This was my big goal. To leave a good mark, to help the country, to help all the people. The country was broken. We had to rebuild. We had to be friends. We had to be one. I had to show grace. I had to forgive. My heart was for all. I wanted them back. My work was complete. I had done my best. I felt so much peace. My time was now done. This is lesson 2. Work to bring peace. Serve your country well. Leave a good legacy behind. Life is a long journey. I learned a lot. Every day holds a lesson. Learning never stops. Be strong in all you do. Maintain your faith. Have a clear dream. Work hard to achieve it. Freedom is so good. You must protect it. You must work for it. It is a big gift. America is great. It is a good home, a great dream, and a wonderful place. Believe in yourself. I know you can do it. You can reach your goal. You can live a good life. This is my final message. I pray for your great success. Find strength in a good life and live with peace and joy. My country, family, and new life were all my great loves. My life was so good. I lived a full life. I am happy now. I have no regrets. It was my great time. I am happy to tell you. This is lesson 1. Your life is a journey. Never stop learning. Be strong in all you do. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Abraham Lincoln helps you most? How will you use his story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Be brave. Speak truth. Keep going.